What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tamara recipes. In today's video I'm gonna make some Jamaican fried dumpling. Now they will be shallow fried, and I'm gonna serve mine with some callaloo and some fried ripe plantains. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. Now I made my dumpling dough with some butter, salt, baking powder, flour, and I use some water to mix it into a dough. Alright, so after forming it into a dough, I allowed my dumpling dough to rest for about 20 minutes, and then I roll it into some balls, place them on a little bit of flour, alright, because they were a bit sticky. So now I have my ripe plantains. So I cut them into pieces of my choice, and I'm gonna fry them. Now I'm using relatively amount of oil. I don't like to deep fry my plantains, but if you like, you could go ahead and deep fry yours. So I'm gonna fry each side until it's golden brown and crispy, and then I'm gonna remove them from the pot. Now I love to fry my plantains and then I fry my dumpling because the plantains give the dumpling a nice little flavor. Alright, but that's just my way of making my breakfast when I'm making plantains with fried dumpling. Now I have more than one fried dumpling recipe where I need the dough and everything in detail, so I'm gonna leave a link where you can watch that video. However, to be honest, guys, this is my first time adding butter to my dumplings, because I normally just add the rest of ingredients except the butter. But today I just feel like I've add some butter in my fried dumpling just to test it to see how it would taste to me. So I hope I'll enjoy it. Alright? So if you're a person who loves to add butter to your fried dumplings, or if you don't want to add it, then you could always just leave it out. So at this point, I'm forming my dumplings. Now bear in mind that you can form yours in so many different ways. Alright, so just do it to the way in which you're comfortable, and just make a dumpling to your preference. Alright. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they will be shallow fried. Therefore, I wouldn't be using too much oil. So remember that we added the butter, guys. I'm very health conscious at times. So because I add the butter, I add a small amount of oil. Now, because I'm not using a lot of oil, I have to be careful because, I want dumplings to fry and, fry properly and have a nice golden brown beautiful color as well. So guys, guess what, since we don't have enough oil in the pot, I'm gonna lower the flame to about medium to low, just for the dumplings to fry, but not only fry on the outside, but in the internal should be fully done as well. All right, so far the dumplings, they're looking good, and they have a nice golden brown color because I don't like my dumplings to have a white color. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is to turn the dumplings onto their side. All right, so reason being, remember, we did not use a lot of oil, so the sides will not be fried without you doing this step, or not be fully fried without you doing this step. All right, so that's the reason for that. So you just want to gentle put them on the side. Now I'm gonna do it occasionally so that all the sides can be fully fried, and remember, use medium to low flame. So doing the shallow fried method, you know your dumplings are gonna take a longer time to fry since they don't have enough oil. Alright, so mine took maybe about 12 minutes in total, 12 to 15 minutes in total. Alright, because I wanted to ensure that my dumplings are fully fried. Now at this point they're fully fried. As you can see, they have a nice beautiful golden brown color, so I'm gonna remove them from the pot. Now guys, I always make my dumpling big, but guess what, if you want to make smaller fried dumplings, then of course you can. Alright, so as you can see guys, the dumplings absorb most of the oil. So for me guys, this way is healthier, even though you know it's more time consuming because you have to be monitoring it and all of that. But for me, once me put butter, especially when me put butter on my fried dumpling, me not add enough oil because the butter has a lot of grease already, and then the oil. So you know you have to be mindful of what you put in your stomach. Alright, so I rested them on a plate, and as you can see guys, I have that little flaky look from the butter. Yes, because I use some cold butter. Now I'm gonna break one and let you see how it looks inside. And it tasted good guys, but because I used the traditional fried dumpling where you know no milk, no butter and all of that, so you know I have to take time and adjust myself to it. Alright, but it was soft though, and you know flaky. Alright, so this is the end product guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you try the recipe, of course, please give me your feedback. And as I said before, I'm gonna have mine with some steamed callaloo, so I'm gonna share that recipe in the link in the description box where you can check it out.